Yes, children. So we just studied that Neetu gets instant energy with the help of glucose. Here it is uh, written that Neetu's teacher used to tell the girls to have glucose while playing hockey. Why do you think she did this? Because glucose gives you what type of energy? Glucose gives you instant energy. Okay, glucose gives you instant energy. That is why while playing teacher gives glucose so that you'll get instant energy, you don't get tired. Okay, moving ahead, this is interesting. Martin's window. Okay, so here is an old story. It seems so funny. There was a window in a Martin's tummy. Actually, by mistake, Martin was shot right in stomach. It bled a lot. Okay, so this Martin, he got shot in his stomach, and there was lot of bleeding happening. The wound slowly healed and was covered by skin, but the hole was still there. You could peep right in. Okay, so in the stomach, the wound got healed, but there was a hole right there, and you can peep into side. You can just lift the flap, and you can see the stomach. What's happening? You can see inside the stomach. Okay. Oh, what a chance for doctors to study what happens to the food inside the body. Wow, so doctors were so happy that now we can actually look, we can see, we can watch how the food is getting digested inside the stomach. Otherwise, it was very difficult. No, who can see inside the stomach how it is taking out digestion process? The story seems odd, but it is really true. Okay, the secret of Martin's stomach help us all, me and you. So that's how people, doctors get to know that which food takes how much time to get digested. Okay, so this is the whole story about the Martin's stomach when he got shot 18 when he was only 18 years old, and Dr. Beaumont, okay, Dr. Beaumont, he was called to treat him. Okay, so he called him, he cleaned the wound, put the dressing, and after 1.5 years, doctors found that wound is healed except one thing, that the big hole is still in the stomach. The hole was covered with the loose flap of skin. Okay, just like a washer in the football. Now press the skin, you could peep into the Martin's stomach. Not only that, the doctor could also take the food from the stomach by putting a tube in the hole. Okay, and then he found the treasure. He said, "Wow, no, it's a treasure. It never happens, no." So he did all the stomach. What he started doing, he started calculating that which liquid takes how much time to digest, and he used to take out the the liquid, that is juices, out of his stomach, because in the juice the stomach produces the juice. Okay, that is called digestive juices. So he used to take out that juice and used to put it into a small test tube and used to put the food, and then you could easily see, no, how much time it takes to get quickly digested. Out of the stomach is taking the stomach juice. Okay, and then he used to do lots of experiment, used to check how much time the food is taking to get digested. Okay, this is very important, children. So in our stomach, what is the temperature of your stomach? So he kept the glass at the same temperature. What he did, at 8:30, he put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliter of the juice. That juice he took out. He kept the glass at the same temperature as that of our stomach. So what is the temperature of our stomach? 30 degree. Okay, this question can be asked. What is the temperature of your stomach? 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so when he checked At 2 p.m., he found that pieces of the fish had dissolved, finished, they dissolved, disappeared. Okay, so that's how he was comparing the time, and he made a table. So children, this table is very 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 important. Okay, you will have to be careful. So this is the table where you have to draw this table in your copy, right? Here are this is the observation table. He did the experiment, he found that the time taken for the digestion. So unboiled milk, boiled milk, full boiled egg, half boiled egg, raw egg, beaten, raw egg. It is beaten, it is not beaten. So in the stomach it takes 2 hours 15 minutes, and in a glass with digestive juice it takes 4 hours 45 minutes. Okay, he was taking the same digestive juice from the stomach, but he was keeping the juice in the glass. So, and he was trying to maintain the temperature also, 30-degree temperature, but still in the tummy it was getting digested in 2 hours 15 minutes, but out of the stomach it was taking 4 hours 40 minutes 45 minutes. Okay, so that's how you can see. Please, you have to, children, please remember, you have to learn these, how much time it takes in the stomach, how much time it takes out of the stomach. The same food, juices, the same gastric juices, digestive juices, but in the stomach and out of the stomach, how are the differences are there. Okay, so you have to learn these. There are only 6. Okay, so what does our stomach do? So our stomach churns the food to digest it. Our stomach churns the food to digest it. Okay, children, so our stomach, he also found that the juices in our stomach is acidic. Juices in our stomach is acidic. So you heard the word acidity, no? We always heard the word acidity. Yeah. So especially when that person is not eaten well, the food is not digested properly. Okay. So when you don't chew the food properly, then actually the amount of acid produced by your body depends upon the amount of food you eat. But when you chew the food, the whole acid is being utilized. But you don't chew the food, acid is already been produced according to the food eaten, but the whole acid is not been utilized. No, that is why some amount of acid, it remains in your stomach, and you get the feeling of acidity. Okay, so this was the experiment on the marten by Dr. Beaumont. The question is asked, who did experiment on marten? Dr. Beaumont. Okay, children. So we are done with this. Now we'll move ahead. Okay.